Hi everybody, it's Linda. Today I'm going to show you how I make clear gesso. Now I can't remember which video or videos I watched, but I found a recipe, I made the recipe and I like it, and I've had it for 5 years, give or take. So I used I think I took a salsa jar when it was empty and I washed it out in the dishwasher, and I used that, and there you can see my label. And what I have in here is half a cup of white glue, like your just cheapy Jot or Elmer glue, a quarter cup, it's either baby powder or cornstarch, whichever you have. I'm pretty sure I would have used baby powder, but who knows. I don't remember what I used at the time. So half a cup of white glue, a quarter cup of baby powder or cornstarch, and half a cup of water, and you just mix well. So it just kind of looks like this. Now, what I did was I wanted to show you a sample. So, as you can see, I have 2 pages that they're not identical, but they both have the same pattern on them. So, if you can see, this is glossy, okay? This is matte. This is after I put the clear gesso on there. There might be the few odd little spots that might come up when you look really hard. I even did more than one layer, but I don't think I needed to brush on more than one. And I was afraid I was going to have brush marks as well, and I don't. So, see, there's like no gloss. There's gloss at the side because I only did the image. But if you look here, see how it's glossy? Anyway, and the reason why this is curling up is because it was applied to one side and not the other. So I'm going to cut this out. Oops, sorry about that. I'm going to cut this out and glue it down onto like a cardstock. And then I figure I can just make some ephemera or journaling cards out of these. So, so that's how it came out. Yeah, again, half a cup of white glue, half a cup of water, and then a quarter cup of baby powder or cornstarch. Yeah, so mix well, and it can last a long time. So I really do not like glossy images in any of my journals. So this is a lifesaver. So now I can, like, if you see a nice magazine image or just from a book, you can mat it down now if you wish. Anyway, that's all I'm showing you today, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye, everybody.